What do black hole imaging, exoplanet discoveries, and climate risk models have in common? Well, they were all powered by research that flows through a platform called ADS, and now also SciX. Born at the Harvard-Smithsonian Center for Astrophysics, ADS has been a lifeline for astronomers for over 3 decades. And now SciX is expanding ADS's capabilities to support every NASA science discipline.
SciX is the expansion of ADS to all of the Earth and planetary science disciplines that began in 2023. So these are discoverable in the system and linked to each other, allowing researchers to connect them and analyze them through citation networks and usage networks.
The Science Explorer, or SciX, sits on top of the ADS infrastructure, supported by a massive ingest and curation facility.
SciX is the digital library portal for researchers in astronomy, earth science, heliophysics, and planetary science.
So SciX is a tool that is built for scientists, by scientists. We are the community that we're serving.
The importance of openness is that it's a force multiplier for research, to the extent that a system like ADS and SciX can facilitate the discovery of any of these research artifacts. It means that we'll be able to make more rapid and better improvement over the research. And we enable a life cycle of software products, data products, and scientific papers being published at a faster rate.
Whether you're studying black holes or biosignatures, volcanoes or solar flares, SciX helps you trace the full story, from data collection all the way through to published insight.
Researchers are very busy people, and they need to quickly find relevant papers, data sets, and software, track citations, and stay current in their field. SciX makes this easier with smarter search, better filters, and direct links to critical resources.
Any search engine can look up the title of a paper and find it. But then, if that's not enough for you, it keeps going, and it goes almost as deep as you can possibly go.
Before joining the SciX team, I turned to the system daily for my scientific research, for historical research, and for professional development.
One of my favorite things is the fact that you can get like a full citation graph or a network.
Keeping up to date with research in the niche area of interest is one way researchers use this platform, and finding the key people, seminal and review publications and software and data sets for a new project is another.
The curated research information database transforms raw, disparate data into organized, reliable, and easily accessible assets, ultimately boosting efficiency and productivity by providing a trustworthy foundation for enhanced insights and informed decision-making.
We're talking about tens of millions of records about journal articles and books and data sets. It's a very large set of information.
Unlike more automated databases, we encourage our users to send feedback so we can make corrections to our records, as we do strive to be as accurate as possible.
SciX is a tool for discovering information about astrophysics, astronomy, and increasingly earth sciences and a much broader range of disciplines.
Fostering interdisciplinary research is really challenging because I think the geosciences tend to be very stovepiped, and yet oceanography as one of those geosciences is very interdisciplinary. And I think anything that helps facilitate the discovery across those subdisciplines is really valuable to the community.
Today's research in the origins of life in the universe requires really interdisciplinary connections between geologists and astronomers and biologists and oceanographers. So we think that as a platform, SciX will deliver many more times what we've already been able to provide with ADS.
Systems like it save about 5% of the total research time that people use. 5% more research is done, 5% more things get discovered, and research is an exponential thing. So a 5% increase actually means you get about twice as much done after 20 years. This is an enormous change. It's enormously valuable.
It's the first place I recommend to students when I want them to get started on literature searches. So it's one of my most used bookmarks.
Knowing I can search it and get all of the results in one place makes it such an easy go-to, and having the archive results come up and the actual journal results come up, and even for conference proceedings and things like that, to have it all in one spot is amazing.
So if you're a researcher looking to work smarter, faster, and with more impact, head to sciexplorer.org and dive in. Explore tutorials that walk you through the most relevant features. It's not just about access to knowledge, it's about equity, integrity, and accelerating discovery for everyone. Sign up today at sciexplorer.org.